Hey guys, this is Ben back in the garage again with the General. Just starting a new project here. I've picked up a set of these Dragonfire harnesses, and I purchased these through Rocky Mountain ATV, and got a set for both passenger side and driver side. These are the 4-point harnesses. For what I'm going to do, I thought a 5-point harness would be a little bit of overkill, so I'm in the process of getting the General ready to do that installation. I've got a super ATV rear windshield. I've actually just pulled that out for a couple of reasons. Number one, the straps for the shoulder harness are going to wrap around this bar, so just to kind of ease the installation there. And then secondly, you don't have to do this. I'm going to do it just because I think it'll look better. Since I'm putting in the harnesses, I'm going to completely remove the existing hardware here. I have seen folks where they put in a harness, they leave this here. I'm not going to do that. I don't personally like that look, so I'm just going to make it nice and clean. I'm going to remove the upper bracket here, and then also too remove this bracket, which has a couple of screws which were blocked from the rear windscreen. So I've gone ahead and pulled that out, and I'm hoping that this should be a pretty easy install. You know, got a hard point down here, and of course the hard point over here as well. So should be fairly straightforward. I'll do kind of an intermediate update after I get one of them installed, and I'll show you what that looks like. So stand by. Okay, guys, I got the seatbelt out. One little surprise. So this is the ratcheting mechanism for the seatbelt, and this right here goes into that large the large hole right there, and the nut is accessible. You can probably see the hole right there. The nut is accessible through that hole. Well, don't do what I did and break a bit on it, because it actually has a Torx fitting on this side. That is pressed in. All you have to do is just remove the nut from the back. The rest of these though they're easy to pop out. No big deal there. So anyway, just a little tidbit. If you are removing the seatbelt unit from your General, my guess is Razors are probably similar to that, maybe even Rangers as well. But anyway, just a little side note. I'll have more details as I continue through. Just want to show you. So here is what's left of my T50 bit, and you can actually see here's another T50 I was using, and you see the twist of the threads. That's what happens when you try to remove that bad boy right there when it's pressed in. Also, you will need to reuse your bolts from your attach points. Just to show you, haven't tightened these down just yet, but using the belt over here, I just got to tighten these down, so no big deal there. I have heard some folks say about reusing nylocks. In this case, these are the original nylocks that came with the vehicle. This is the first time they've ever been removed. Certainly after some time, nylocks can wear out, but to reuse them once or twice really is not a big deal. I know there are folks that will disagree with me saying that, but I mean, I would challenge you to put these in and get them to back themselves back out. Anyway, that's just a side comment from my perspective. On the process of getting these done, actually with this seat's nearly done, and now that I've learned my lesson on that one bolt, I think getting everything else wrapped up, particularly on the driver's side, is going to be a no-brainer. So more updates to go. Guys, halfway done. Got the passenger seat in, and everything looks pretty good so far. Got the straps adjusted. As you can see, there's plenty of adjustment here, And so for my rear windshield, I'll just tuck this in, no big deal there. But got it where it does have a little bit of play. Now when the rear windshield is in, it goes up right against this piece of weather stripping, so it'll actually compress this down. But I have sat in it. It feels really good, really comfortable. There is plenty of adjustment here. You've got you can see here a lot of slack. Actually see how much slack. So there's quite a bit of adjustment in it. Quality feels really good. These have memory foam backing on it, so you can actually snug it up pretty well. When I sat in it, I mean, it feels nice and tight. You're not going to go anywhere with this. And I mean, I'm not a crazy rider. I'm not one that's really trying to flip it. Obviously, that could happen, but I'm certainly not going to make an attempt that tries to do that. But anyway, I'm really pleased with it. I do like the color. I like the silver or the gray. I think it goes well with the accent colors on the General that I have. But anyway, there's halfway done. I'll touch base with the rest of it. Really no surprises as far as the installation, other than that one bolt down there. I probably will try to find for that hole. Probably try to find some kind of bolt or something to go in there, because you can see that's going to leave it open. But anyway, stay tuned. Hey guys, sorry for the delay. It's actually been about a week or so since I finished the harnesses, and I was putting the video together and realized I forgot to do a kind of a concluding piece. So anyway, this is what they look like on the back end after everything's done. I have just kind of ridden around the neighborhood with them. Again, very, very comfortable. Also, some other news that's kind of come up in the last couple of days. Yesterday, I went with my friend Lawson, and we actually picked up some helmets and some riding gear. We also got a dual Bluetooth kit as well, and got that put in. Really, really nice Sena kit. This is I think it's like the S20 or the 20S. I think it's last year's model, but between that and the helmet, we actually got a really, really good price on everything. We got it from Cycle Gear. We've got one locally here in the Alpharetta, Roswell area. This helmet is a built, and it's got the pull-down full face shield, and it also has here a tinted eye shield as well. So really, really nice. I really like it. I'm really pleased with it. Again, got a great, great price on it. And then also picked up just a pair of just kind of driving gloves as well. But anyway, that's where things stand on it. I appreciate everyone that watches the videos and comments. We are planning some trail rides coming up pretty soon as we get into spring and summer, and I look forward to sharing those videos as well. Thanks for watching.